What's up, gamers, and welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. Last episode, as you can see, we are definitely currently at some factory. We left off. Clank did it. We did a mission with Clank, which is kind of fun. It did mindfuck me quite a bit, but anyway, what's after this?
Engaging motion scan.
Well, that's what I was going to say is, wait, they're my boys! I just realized that's my clone. Rude. But yeah, we've almost leveled up some of our guns, which is good. We've almost leveled up at least our bomb thrower, at least the fusion grenade. At this point, Zircon's just doing everything, but oh, we've got Clank with us back too. But yeah, I'm not. I don't know. Just this level feels kind of like an end level. I don't actually know if this is like the final level or what. I guess we're about to find out at the end by the end of this episode, by sure. But yeah, I'm hoping we can at least level up these the guns I've been trying. I mean, I was hoping I'll get them up last episode, but unfortunately that was not the case. We did not get that. But now that we're here, oh, I can get this boy. I'm getting it. Also, I get some more armor too. And we don't really have anything that I want to upgrade at the moment, so I'm not going to worry about that at the moment. But I do kind of want to try this gun, though. Oh, it does ricochet off things. Interesting. But I'm going to play with this mainly because I'm actually close to leveling it up, and I kind of want to finish it off. Schwartz? Oh, you're a little bit off. We might be able to get them up this episode. I definitely think we get the fusion gun up. I don't know about the rest. Yeah, if you haven't really been paying attention to the series so far, pretty much once I get a gun maxed, I'm going to try and avoid not using it as much. I just want to try and level up all the guns. Okay, rude. Oh my god. I hit them all. I think I kept hitting the roof. Yeah, it would have been hitting the roof. It's fine. But we do need some ammo. Oh, he's got the turret. Oh, no. Oh, we got him. I mean, couple episodes ago when we had to deal with two of those, it was the most annoying thing in the world. Alright, anyway, we're gonna get some more health. Definitely do need it. I wonder what max level is in this game, by the way. Ooh, I do remember this though. Gimme. Oh, sorry, Zircon. Hello. There we go. That felt really. That felt like it took quite a while to level up. Alright, anyway, on we go.
Watch yourself over here.
Hey, let's go. We have to play this. Maybe we should wait for this one. I was gonna try and run it through, but I feel like maybe that's not the ideal way I should be going about it. I just love how it just attacks. Rude. I'm just gonna let Zircon finish them all off.
Not bad, Ratchet.
Am I supposed to be on this? I honestly don't know. Ooh. I really need some health. Oh, I destroyed the thing. I'm sorry. And you didn't see you there. We're in a little bit of a pickle, not gonna lie. I need the health. Gimme, gimme. We're on 4 health. Not really something I want to be stuck on, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna let Zircon do all this. Actually, no, I will destroy those. Okay, I'm getting hit by some these little things. In this, it's their version of Zircon. There we go. Look at all these bolts. Oh wait, still one left. There we go. I mean, our gun's really close to leveling up. Yeah, I had to be really careful because I don't have any health. We're good.
You made it. Now use the trespasser to access the refueling station.
Right, gotta deal with these things again. These things are always a pain in the ass to me, honestly. Now, obviously you have to go there. It's really the only logical sense for that one. Wait a second. I don't believe you. Oh wait, you might go somewhere. No, you block that. I feel like this laser has nothing to do with it. Now it might. Maybe. Alright, so now what we need is one up the top. No, this one doesn't work out no matter how I look at it. Yeah, we'll keep you out of it. I feel like you might have to go up. Just trying to think. And then it blocks off that. So I feel like, because this is really the only area that that one really works out with. Now, how is this? Wait. Does it have a blocker? No. Yeah, we're back to this one. You've got a laser. I feel like that has to go there. That way works. There we go. Yeah, it makes it a lot easier when you get rid of the like all the lasers. It just gets really mind-blowing to figure out what's what.
Good. Let's secure the upper level and get into that office.
Alright, well anyway, where are we here, actually?
As you can see, we're at peak warbot supply. It's the perfect time.
Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button, whoops.
Markets around the galaxy.
Wait, isn't it, I think this is where Clank got chased. Like one of the earlier levels. Alright. Alright, let's stack up on all over. Oh, we actually definitely do need some more health. We actually got no health left. Oh, now, okay, we're pretty much full now. I'll go there in a second. We must collect all this stuff. Zircon will live. What are you shooting at, my dude? Damn. We got joy. Did he say flee? Okay, well, you guys chill up there. I'm gonna finish making my round. Also, I'm also seeing if there's like anywhere else. I'm pretty sure I know where I need to go, but I'm just double checking also while I run around here and collect all these. I want my bolts. Alright, anyway, let's keep going.
Fire when ready. I'll cover you.
If there was a thing over there. Can I stand on this? I can. There we go. Upon exploding, grenades will release a cluster of pyrocytic. Man, we've got an upgrade. Bang. Oh no, I can't even reach this one. I'm hiding in the distance. There we go. Oh, he moves. There we go. Oh, we're still up. Okay, I need to check out. I don't even think this glove even remotely changed. One sec. We know you upgraded completely. The fusion bomb is right, I got right. I don't know if it even changed. It doesn't look any different to what I had. Well, anyway, as I said, once I level up something to max, I tend to move on. And this one's definitely the gun I want to level up next, so this is definitely a strong gun. There's more. There's more behind me, of course there is.
Ratchet and I are under fire and we need assistance. Over.
Understood, Ranger. I'm sort of tied up over here myself.
He just wants Ratchet gone. You know it's true. Oh, rude.
Really? Get out of here, enemies.
Did not mean to switch this gun, but I'll use it.
A lot of heavy fire, so unfortunately I won't be able to assist. So, good luck.
Brax, we could use a hand here.
I need to get back down here.
They're here. Take that, you lousy Sithanoids.
Great. Well, looks like it's all on us.
I'll be back there in a second. I need to go and get some ammo. And while I'm here, I'm gonna upgrade the gun completely. Because why not? Definitely want some more ammo. Oh, we can now max you out, so Tele-equip technology is repulsed to put fresh grenades in your hand even faster, increasing your rate of fire. Well, that'd be good. Well, there we go. We've got 2 guns maxed out now. Got the Magnum. Oh, the Magma. I got... whatever it's called. Alright, anyway. Next up is... where are you? This gun. This is one that we're using actually quite a bit of. And this is what... I want this to be my next gun level up anyway, so... Each missile contains a Fluginum. I have no idea what that word is. Called to increase the size of its explosion. Ooh. Okay. And then... oh, we can actually max this out by employing a temporal scanning algorithm. The weapon is able to guide additional... I'll take that. And last but not least... Alrighty, we had so many points. But yeah, this gun, pretty sure never changed. This one did. This one, pretty sure did not. Alright, so, we know what Zircon was. Alright, anyway, let's go back up. We know where we need to go now. Well, I don't exactly know where I need to go, but I might... Of course, there's more of them here. Why wouldn't there be? Well, now this is kind of... Oh. Yo, we had so many ammo. Yo, we had... There was so... Oh, you're still like... Hello?
Area secure. Let's move.
Wait, you turn to want all this first. Any more health? No idea what any of that is. But... Oh, great. Another one of these. Alright, so let's see. So we need a way where this isn't blocking anything. Which is there. That can't work out there though. You can work there. Yes, you can actually. I think. Oh my god, it's just a laser show. It's actually... Oh no. It is literally a laser show. Yeah, I literally got to find a spot where this isn't blocking anything, but it's always going to be blocking. I need to do what I usually do, just get rid of all of them but one. Tends to help me out a lot easier. Wait, so... Okay, so that one clearly goes there. Because that, yeah. That lights up those three. But we don't even need all of them lit up. We literally only need this one. Not this one. One sec. Hey, we'll get this. That blocks up that one. There we go. So one of them I didn't even have to use. Yeah, it definitely does help getting rid of those. Getting rid of the, oh my god, the golden bolt looks so tiny. Oh wait, it's maybe, yeah, that would be why. Because it's at a distance. Ooh. Uh-huh. Wait, I think I might know how to get over there. Do I need to find... Wait, I actually know where we are. We've been here before. Whoop, I just... Oh. Wait, I can fly in here. Aha, that makes things easier. Definitely does make things easier. Yeah, I got 14 of them. There's definitely more around here, but I don't know how to get into any of these rooms. I want to try and get into them, but yeah, I'm literally looking around. I'm not seeing anything in the slightest. I will take this though. Fine. Anyway, at least we can stack up on ammo. Mine. Right. Here we go.
The security terminal. You must disable it.
What I wanted. Okay, I've actually apparently don't have any ammo.
You can all relax now. I'm finally here.
What the fuck is that?
Goodbye, stupid ranger.
What in the world is that? That's one ugly ass robot.
You want to take this one?
Why do you keep giving me this little pistol?
It's time to leave the valley.
There we go. This might be able to do some damage to her.
But I've gotta run. Toodles.
We just have to keep flying around her. Oh, okay, maybe not. Well, we definitely need, yeah, I guess we are gonna have to put out this gun then. What is this?
Keep shooting. It's working.
What am I supposed to be shooting? She's got a beehive. Oh, I can destroy it. Wait, if I'm to destroy this,
Her shield's down. Fire. Keep moving, Ratchet.
oh thanks, I never thought of that, woman.
Yeah, keep at it.
Oh, we're kind of need some, this is where we need the ammo. I had some destroyed, so there should be, yeah, there's some floating over here. Oh, we got some like... No! Wait, I just do no damage to this thing.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Oop. Oop, more ammo. Here's what we want. Oh, we got this back to full. That's what we want to see. Wait, she's definitely stubborn. This stupid wall is just so annoying. I mean, we're almost gone down. Just fire everything we have. Out of that too. The rocket launcher. Haha, the rocket launcher wins. Ease peas. Now I actually need some more ammo. There was actually a lot of ammo around here.
I'm gonna go investigate that office. Meet me there.
Ratchet, I dispatched your ship to the Drek Industries tarmac. We'll see you back on Qwark.
I mean, I more need to recharge my thing, honestly. But I wonder if I could have flown in here. This is what I need. There we go, now we're safe. All my bolts. Glorious bolts. Alright, there was definitely more areas I could have gone into. There's definitely you as well. There's definitely... Okay, there's this area over here, and then I think that's all the areas. Mine. I don't know what this is going to do, but I'm curious. Oh. Okay, it just opens up another golden bolt. I mean, I'll take the golden bolt, sure. There we go. I think we unlocked something of that, right? That's 16, isn't it? No, 15. Okay, I don't think we unlock anything off 15. Oh, over here.
Hey, can you take care of this lock?
I hate these things are so annoying to deal with. That's not what I was aiming at. This one needs to cover 2 spots. Again, this is a lot easier to deal with when you don't... Okay, so that gets that. Is there an inner spot? There is. Yeah, blocks that off. Yeah, this one mustn't have anything to do with it, because this one blocks off all of them. I have to do this again. Okay, you actually work for that one, actually. Then you work for that. And what's the one that's not? It's the other one, right? Yeah. There we go. God, so many lights just makes it so confusing. It's hard to tell like what's what.
Fascinating. These are plans for something called a deplanetizer.
Deplanetizer?
Why would Drek be destroying planets?
Not destroy.
Create?
It seems that Drek is trying to build the perfect planet.
How do you like what's on? What is on a perfect planet exactly? Let's try to give his email. What exactly would you put on the perfect planet?
Novalis is populated.
Yes, 43,618,924 people to be exact.
The Snorkelses had twins this morning.
I don't know. I love the robots in this game. I don't know. Ooh, what is this? Tap on. No, I think I got everything inside. I guess we can go and check it out. I don't know if we probably won't. I don't know. We might do all of it. We might not. I don't know.
Which planet should we go to?
We must stop the deplanetizer before it destroys another planet.
Wait, what were we on? Oh, this is what we're on. Because apparently there's one more boulder we missed. We'll look for that later. I guess we go here. Now this seems like a final mission.
So what's the plan, Captain?
Huh? Oh, the plan. Yes, here's what we're going to do, Rangers. I'll go in first and try to reason with this Drek character. See if we can talk this out. Mano a mano.
Talk? I don't follow, sir.
Sir,
He's blown up 5 planets already. I think we're done talking.
I'm going in.
Captain, wait! Second was on the way. We should.
Qwark is literally suicidal. He just goes straight in without a care in the world.
Idiotic.
Hey, I'm sure Qwark knows what he's doing.
Oh no, I'm back to the reverted controls again. I don't know what I'm after.
Victor, the Galactic Rangers have decided to crash our party. Be a sport and show them a warm welcome, would you? With pleasure, Chairman.
Well, I know what I'm destroying now.
On Ion's death ship.
All Rangers, engage Victor's ship. Qwark! Qwark? Where is he?
You can never trust Qwark.
Ready to die.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep it up.
Fire missiles!
Oh, just dodge. I'm flying away. Oh, I think I just ran straight into that one. Okay, that one hit me. There we go. And of course, we've got these things in front of me again. They all ran in. What is this?
I'm on your six. Homing missiles inbound.
Yeah, I'm gonna get hit by at least one of them. I mean,
Keep firing, Ratchet. You've got him on the ropes.
Got a tractor.
I'm the only one doing. Oh,
Incoming missiles detected. I can't steer.
Just shoot.
I mean, I'm fine. I'm fine with just shooting him. No, no, no. Oh wait. Oh, don't worry.
Back around for another pass.
It's terrible from this angle.
Homing missiles inbound.
Oh wait, I wasn't even aiming at it. I literally just fired my.
Will not be destroyed by some space rat and his defect friend. No, let's see active.
All right, let's.
Keep it up. You're doing it.
Boy, I'm getting hit by all these rockets. Actually, I have to dodge everything at once. It's making things trying to dodge all these in revert. There we go. Think we did it somehow. Reverted. They're going to be the death of me. The reverted angle, the reverted controls. Think about it real quick.
That was my best death ship. You'll pay for this, lumbacks.
Excuse. I'm not even in. I mean, okay, you can go and attack that ship. I'm not even in it.
Their defensive fire is too strong. Pull back. Your fighter won't make it.
Big heroes do big things.
Oh. Wait, did I launched myself out of it. Oh. There's something. Oh, no, Clank's not with us. Okay, we have no jet.
What's that?
I do not know. I will investigate. Probably just the ship settling.
Oh no.
Nothing to be alarmed about.
You got in there by the screen. Where's Qwark?
Oh my.
Where did he bail to? Hey, it's called the Phoenix. Oh. No thanks.
Away this time.
Victor von Ion has infiltrated
And no thanks. And goodbye.
the bridge.
The fires are spreading out of control.
I mean, I would love to help, but
Access the ship's
got a big ass robot after me.
Yes, but it's not going to be easy. The ship
Meow.
core is damaged.
Oh.
So I had to divert everything to our
I ran into the fire after all.
backup
It's not I dodged it. I definitely did not.
How do I get to the backup generator?
It's in engineering, but the door.
I'm literally running around. Am I supposed to fight him? Like,
I need a minute.
I'm just running around in circles, it seems. Oh.
I've got you now.
No, you don't. Definitely do not have me. Oh no, I jumped into the fire again. Whoops, we got 3 more lives.
There, head inside.
Look at my little legs go. I do
We have arrived in engineering.
a sharp turn there. I sort of ran past it.
Need to activate before we have power again. However, the generators need additional energy
So we can't get over there. We can get over here though.
It's to me.
So we're gonna jump to the sides to have the lights, so I should probably though we'll have to heal up. We definitely lost some health.
I can't shake 'em.
Power at 0.
Great. That's what we want. I have to do it. Okay, so I need all of them first. Yeah, I definitely need to get all of them before I can do one of them. We need the bounce pad. Okay. So we got 2 thingos over here as well. I'm gonna need.
Structural integrity is below 50%. You have to stop that maniac.
I mean, I'd love to, but I need to figure out how to get this first. I know how to get it. Big brain. I think. I hope this works. It might not work. It might not work, but we're gonna try anyway. They require me to go back and forth a couple of times, but it's fine. Actually, I can just use this one as my bounce pad. That's fine. Alright, now we need to. We should be good now, I believe. Are you there? You as a shock as well. Oh, there we go.
Okay, on to the next one.
I mean, I would love to. No idea even how to get the second one. This one can be done either way. This one cannot though. This is only put one way. Also, I didn't even think that through. I actually need to get the other 2 first. And you're not even the one I need. I was right the first time. No, I wasn't. Okay, good. So that does stay. Yeah, as I thought. I can't do it that way. So I just don't think I have enough. I mean, I'm definitely going to try. But I just don't think I have actually, no, I think I might know what I need to do. I might. Alright, there we go. I need to do this. Get you as a bridge as well. Yeah, as I said, like, I've said it a few times during the series, I played this a long time ago, so, well, I played it when it first came out, which was 2016, so, I don't remember all of the thingos. I do apologize for that one. It might take me a while to just kick in my brain to figure out how it is I'm supposed to do this. Now this should be able to handle this, right? We need all 3 of them. Wait. 1. 2. And there we go. Had to do a bit of playing around, but we managed. So I can't complain too much, honestly.
Now to see to those pumps.
And he found me again.
I'm finding a route for you to take to the damage control room. That's where the pumps are.
Look at him chase me. We're literally running back the other way now.
I was not planning anything different.
Ow. Oh no, we got hit by it. Thought I dodged it, but unfortunately I did not. Oh. And we got hit by it again. Where? Taking a little bit of damage. I definitely need some health back. Ooh.
Back here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot.
I don't know where I'm going. Whoop. Wait, we literally ran around in circles. So I think I did run past where I was supposed to go in. Hop inside where? Oh, yeah. Look at me just dive. Yeah. Great, more puzzles I have to deal with.
I have reached the damage control room.
Try to restart the pumps. There should be a console there.
I will take care of this. Keep supporting the range.
Okay, well, obviously I feel like I have to do this one first. Keep you there for the time being. I don't think I need you at the moment. Here, I have that. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out what it is that I need to do. Wait, can I? How far can the bridge go? Bridge can't make that.
The fires are spreading out of control.
Oh, this needs bounce. Oh, wait, I see. Don't worry. There's this. Oh. Okay, so I need to bring this down. I need you down here for a second. Oh wait, you can just go on that one. And now you bridge. Probably should have kept that a bridge. I did not. Okay, I think, okay. I need to go and get the second one. This one's sort of just chilling over here. I'm hoping this is the right way to do it.
Appears to be the key to gathering all of the gadgets in this room.
Yes, that does you. That does you. Let me take this. We need you as a bridge as well. Alright, now I think we're good. Now we get this. This gets all three of them. Okay, let's chuck you there. Get my boy Mr. Zappy, and we'll throw him up here first. Okay, so one's done. Opening you. Alright, there we go. We've done it.
That rotating device.
And last but not least, we'll take you.
To gathering all of the gadgets in this room.
There we go.
Fantastic. The pumps are online. The fire suppression switch is in the back of the ship. Get
Oh, great. Back on I go. No. I didn't find any health in there either, which means I think I'm still on 2 bars of health. Also.
There. Hit the switch.
I love how his legs are literally 10 times bigger than Clank's, and yet he still struggles to catch Clank.
Oh dear.
Well, he's been fried. Can't say I feel sorry.
Ratchet, Victor is down. What's your status?
I found a way inside the deplanetizer. Heading to the Starcracker chamber now.
The Glove of Doom. Toss out a gang of angry robot minions that seek out enemies and detonate on contact. That sounds glorious. I want it. Unfortunately, I cannot get it. We'll definitely save up for it.
Stay sharp.
What are you? Absolutely nothing. I can't do anything with you. But anyway, I think this is a good enough spot to call it here. So, yeah, I feel like this... I thought the last mission would be the last one because we're kind of at the factory, but now I can see this kind of being like a final mission. Also, I don't think we've seen Dr. Nefarious in here, have we not? I don't know if he's in this. I don't remember if he's in this or not. I don't think he is. I'm sure he would have seen you by now. Would we? Who knows? But anyway, as I said, we're going to call this here. We'll continue this on tomorrow. Not tomorrow. We'll continue it on. Tomorrow is... What? I'm lost with the dates. What's tomorrow? Wait. Tomorrow's Saturday? Wait. No. Yes. Tomorrow's Saturday. So we'll be back with this on Sunday. I'm so lost with the days at the moment. I gotta just check my clock, but my clock's kind of dead at the moment. Someone turned on for some reason. Anyway, we'll continue this on Sunday. Hopefully we might finish it. If not, I seriously don't remember how long this game was, but I said it last episode too. Once I finish Ratchet and Clank, I'll probably move on to the God of War. Personally being, I've never actually played the God of War, so I'm like starting at a very awkward game. I don't know if all the games like tie into each other. I know Ratchet and Clank's like all over the place. Like they have like different series over the years that some will tie in for. Like, Rips Apart doesn't even tie into this. Rips Apart's the sequel to Into the Nexus, so, yeah, they don't tie in. So I'm wondering if it's like that, so maybe I can play it and still make sense of things. If not, I'll probably just end up looking it up anyway and figuring out what's happened beforehand. But yeah, anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this episode. We will continue it. Tomorrow we'll be back to doing, well... Not back to doing because we've never stopped doing it, but Super Mario 3D World, we're up to the last world now. I'm going to be honest, that game is very, very misleading because you get to a spot that looks like it doesn't have any more tubes. Oh no, it has one that goes up into the sky, but we've actually got a pretty awesome level coming up for tomorrow, which is just a giant theme park, which I'm looking forward to doing. I'm ready to get jump into it. I'll probably end up pre-recording it tonight just because I want to just play it. But anyway, yeah, just quickly, I am doing a giveaway for Monster Hunter Rise, the Collector's Edition. It is worldwide, it is free shipping. If it is something you're interested in, I will leave the link to it in the description down below. Obviously, with most giveaways, the more tasks you do, obviously, the more tickets you get to go into the draw. So if that's something you're interested in, yeah, feel free to join. I don't know, I need to check how many people are in it so far. We've got a few people in it that, seem alright with it. But yeah, anyway, that's being said too, I want to give a huge thanks to all you amazing people that have been supporting the channel, subscribing, liking, commenting, just watching the videos in general. It does mean the absolute world to me. This channel would not be what it is without you guys being so amazing, and I love each and every one of you. And on that note, I'll be back again later today with another episode of Minecraft Dungeons. So until then, take care and peace out.